tama ba yung sinabi ni Ombudsman Rebulla na legal daw yung tax avoidance. Okay? And ang sagot po dyan is yes, tama po yun. Tax avoidance is legal po because that is a legal term po yan based on law and jurisprudence at hindi po yan yung literal na avoidance na word na ginagamit po in a general or in a simple manner. Okay? That is a legal term. Okay? Papakita ko rin po sa inyo mismo yung isang jurisprudence kung saan dinefine po ang term na tax avoidance. So, ang sinabi po dito ng Supreme Court, a taxpayer has the right to decrease the amount of what otherwise would be his taxes or altogether to avoid them by means which the law permits. At ang tawag po dyan, tax avoidance. Then sa last sentence po, sabi ng Supreme Court, it is the use of legal means to reduce tax liability. However, this method should be used by taxpayer in good faith and at arm's length. Okay, so in summary po, ang pinaka-point lang talaga nito, meron kasing mga paraan sa batas po based on the law and the jurisprudence natin kung saan pwede po pababain ang tax liability. Hindi po to literal na mag-a-avoid or iiwasan mo lang yung tax. Okay? In other words po, basta may gawin kang paraan para mapababa yung tax liability mo in a legal way, tax avoidance po yung term doon. Diba? So yun lang po ang nakikita kong mali dito ni Ombudsman Remulla. Nakalimutan niya bigyan ng emphasis na the word tax avoidance is a legal term po wherein ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay may mga mechanisms or may mga paraan para mapababa yung tax liability ng isang taxpayer.